Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech, and today we're taking a look at some earbuds from a company called Dudios. They're called the Dubuds. We're going to take a full look and a deep dive into them coming up right now. Hey, so an offshoot company from Soundpeats, and if this box looks familiar, it's because it's the same boxing that Soundpeats uses. They reached out to me. The name of the company is Dudios, and they sent me a sample of their Dudios Dubuds. Now, I'm going to give you the honest review on these because it's kind of the way we do things around here. I'll let you know the good and the bad, and also let you know if this is a good deal. But first, hey, this is a place where I let you know about budget electronics from a Generation X's perspective, and I do it to save you money. But I can't do this without you, so if you could, hit subscribe down below, maybe shoot me some thumbs up, give me some comments, some feedback, I'd appreciate it, and we'll blow this channel up. Now, what makes the Dudios Dubuds interesting is they are 2600 milliamp power banks that will charge your iPhone or your Android devices. Now, they've got some pretty cool features, and they pull all of this off for just under 30 bucks. I'm going to shoot a link to Amazon down below. But let's get on with the review. And we're going to show you everything that comes with the Dubuds by Dudios. Pretty solid box. Here's our user's manual. We're going to take a look at that to see how we operate these. Got Dudios welcome card. Also, if you want to be an influencer. USB-C cable. Very nice. And finally, we have the case itself. Inside, we find the earbuds. Pretty solid case. Like the thickness on the lid that opens up there. Flat black matte finish. Not going to show too many fingerprints. And we have the earbuds themselves. We've got indicator lights on the front that show me the charge. That's 3 out of 4 right now. I've got a USB-A port here on the side for charging devices. And I've got the USB-C charging port on the side here. That'll give me a quick charge. This whole thing will charge in about 3 hours. And that is pretty much everything you get. And since the Dudios Dubuds case also functions as a power bank, we can charge up our iPhone easily enough. There it goes.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
Now, syncing is as easy as pulling the earbuds out, waiting for them to go into pairing mode. There they are, Dudios Dubuds. Touch them, and we are connected. Pretty easy. Okay, so now that we got the earbuds paired up, I'm going to show you this case again and show you that it's fairly large. Just give you an idea of the scale. There it is next to my iPhone. So you put this in your pocket, it's going to put a little bulge there.
That's what she said!
But I can forgive the size of it because it also functions as that power bank. I can take this on a vacation, and if I run out of power, I'm in the field somewhere and I need to charge my phone, I can charge it with this case. I like the idea that the lid has a pretty nice magnet on it. It holds the lid shut, holding my earbuds in, and they're held in magnetically too. Now, as far as the earbuds themselves go, I was a little taken aback by the length of the stems on these. As you can see, they're pretty long, and when I put them in my ears, they are open ear. So I do hear the surrounding sounds, which is nice sometimes, but they're pretty hella long. And look at that, they're about 1/4 inch longer than a lot of the new earbuds coming out. Now, the stems light up when I take them out of the case, but you'll be happy to know that there is no blinking or lights flashing when you're wearing them and using them. Now, the earbuds themselves take about a half hour to charge from dead. And I gotta tell you, I was a little bit underwhelmed because I lost power after about 3 hours at pretty moderate volume. Now, I do get that because these have 14mm drivers that they do eat up a lot of power. Since this is a power bank, the Dubuds will charge a total of 20 times.
No way!
Now, I had no problem charging my phone with the case, but at 1 amp, it's going to take a little while to charge it up. Now, because the Dubuds are IPX4, I'm not going to worry too much about sweating on them, but you're not going to want to submerge these. Now, as far as the range goes, I get a good 30 to 40 feet away from my phone when I'm using these. And I'm happy to announce that they work independently from one another, so I can swap them in and out of the case, go with my right ear or left ear. Now from a control standpoint, all the essentials are here. I have volume up, volume down, and I can call up my voice assistant. The call quality, I'm happy to report, is excellent. I mean, if I'm giving up having to have these long stems sticking out of my ears, I expect good call quality. So these did really deliver on the call quality, but I'll give you a chance to listen to it yourself. You're listening to the microphone quality of the Dubuds by Dudios. This is what my voice would sound like on a phone call. And this is what my voice would sound like with background noise from the street. Let me know what you think of the sound in the comments down below. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do they sound good? Now I've synced the Dudios Dubuds both with my phone, and I've also synced them with my computer. I get almost zero lag from them. There's almost no latency whatsoever, and they're Bluetooth 5.0. Now they're very comfortable, and I can wear them all day with no problem. Now the Dubuds have 14mm drivers, which in a set like these is really large, so I'm expecting booming sound, like really good bass. However, here again, I was a little bit underwhelmed. Now the bass kind of sits back at most volume levels. The mid-ranges are fine, and the highs are clear. Now there's no aptX chip in these, but the sound separation was fine, but again, I was a little bit underwhelmed by the depth of the sound of these. And if you're expecting big bass, or if you're a bass head like I am, you're going to be a little bit underwhelmed.
And now, the final impressions.
So my final impressions. Well, the Dubuds are a very decent set of earbuds. As far as styling goes, not quite my taste. I don't like these long stems on them, but they're a pretty decent all-around earbud. I like the fast USB charging, and the controls worked flawlessly. Call quality was also excellent. That would make these great in an office environment. I wasn't happy with the styling of them, even though they're comfortable. I don't like these long stems. And I was a little underwhelmed by the 3 to 3.5 hour playtime. Plus, the sound didn't have that punch that I was really hoping for. The power bank is a neat feature, and it might come in handy on a trip. But if you really like stems on your earbuds, and you're not a bass head like me, the Dubuds by Dudios are priced right at under 30 bucks. And they're a decent set of earbuds that aren't going to break the bank. Now if you're interested in picking up some for yourself, check out the latest pricing down below. Other than that, I will see you guys on the flip side. Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.